Relax on the wrap-around porch of this beautiful Cape Cod home. Gorgeous 3-bedroom with unfinished 4th bedroom or bonus room and 2.5 baths in Highland Ridge subdivision. Spacious open floor plan. Kitchen, breakfast area features stainless steel appliances with granite countertops. All appliances including stove, built-in microwave, dishwasher and refrigerator remain. This home features a vaulted ceiling in the great room with fireplace and hardwood floors. Upstairs has an open balcony overlooking the great room. Large dining room with crown molding and judges panels. First floor master suite with his and her vanities and separate shower plus a whirlpool tub. Baths have granite countertops. Side entry 3-car attached garage with concrete paved driveway. Architectural shingles.